Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Talk Podcast. I'm Atik, and today's topic is one of my favorites. Describe a person who inspires you. We all have someone who motivates us to be better, right? Let's hear what my friend Rafi has to say. So, Rafi, can you tell us about a person who inspires you the most?
Sure, Atik. The person who inspires me the most is my father. He's a teacher, and I have seen him work very hard for our family. Even when he's tired, he never gives up. He always tells me, "Success comes to those who never stop trying."
That's really inspiring. What qualities of your father do you admire most?
His honesty and discipline. He always wakes up early, prays, and goes to work with a smile. He never complains, even when things are difficult. He's always positive and kind to others.
That's amazing. I think people like your father teach us real-life lessons, not just with words, but through their actions.
Exactly. Because of him, I've learned to stay patient and keep working hard. Whenever I feel lazy or hopeless, I remember his advice and start again.
That's beautiful, Rafi. I think everyone needs someone like that. Someone who inspires us silently just by being themselves. So, dear listeners, now it's your turn. Who inspires you the most in your life? It could be your parents, a teacher, a friend, or even a public figure. Think about that person. What makes them so special to you? Share your answer with us in the comments or in your practice notebook.